Panasonic's top-load washing machines feature industry-leading features and a modern and sophisticated design, whilst also adding additional energy efficiency. The active foam system creates fine, high-density foam before the washing cycle begins. Fine foam lifts, separates and removes dirt from deep within the fibres far more efficiently for a far superior clean. Activating the detergents also reduces the chances of residue being left on your washing when the wash cycle is finished. The 8-winged active wave pulsator increases the area that agitates water, creating a powerful agitation effect for far superior results. The easy wide opening lid makes access more convenient, and the front is slightly lowered to accommodate clothes going in and out. And the stylish electrostatic touch panel is easy to read and access whether the lid is open or closed. The smart design of the lid also accommodates a wall-mounted dryer above it when you're in tight environments. It also features a large, sturdy, removable lint filter, which is easy to remove, clean and replace.